Now, today we're going to talk about the Slingshot community and one important addition to that family, and that's the Vaydor Slingshot. What is going on, guys? This is Lewis, a quick from my game people. Welcome to Wrenchettes, where I now not only work on these beautiful cars like this G35 and my Lincoln MKT, but on life as well. Now, I didn't know myself, but there is a huge community for the Slingshot. You know, I started doing my research and I started seeing all these videos and communities and events. I'm like, wow, this thing is huge. I didn't know it was this huge. It's really, really huge. That's what she said. So, the newest addition for the Slingshot community is the Vaydor Slingshot. Now, without further ado, here is the Vaydor Slingshot. So there it is, guys. What do you guys think? I personally, I do like it. The Slingshot community is a very tight-knit community, I learned, you know, and they love that exotic look. They love lights and, you know, just exotic things, you know, which is pretty awesome. I thought that was only in the car community, but the Slingshot is like one step ahead in exotic stuff in the car community. The front just looks like a regular Vaydor. And I am loving those mirrors. Now, I'm wondering if I could put that on the Vaydor, because that thing looks really nice. It looks like it belongs with the Vaydor too. Pretty awesome looking. Now, for those rims, man, I have to say and be honest, I don't like star pattern rims like that, because I think they're being used too much, like on every new car or something. But the Vaydor is rocking that thing very nicely, and the inner lights right there just give that special touch. Man, I am loving that look. And the sides right there, I love that indentation. I wonder if I could put that on the Vaydor too, see if it looks, you know, how it looks, because I'm loving that little line they did. Really awesome design. Now overall, I think it looks great. Now that we all seen it, let's talk about specs. How much and how long? That sounded kind of weird, to be honest. Okay, how much the Vaydor Slingshot cost? Now, of course, you have to bring your own Slingshot to them, and they would do the conversion for $10,000. $10K for the Vaydor Slingshot. Now, how long? Well, how long does it take for the conversion to happen? It takes only 2 weeks, which I was pretty surprised. I mean, it's only the front of the Vaydor, and it's a different type of build, but still, you know, 2 weeks and that's it. I thought it was gonna be like 2-3 months. So that is it for this video, guys. As you saw, we have finally the Vaydor Slingshot. If you're into that exotic look and exotic vehicles and that tight-knit community from the Slingshot, then I suggest you give the Vaydor Slingshot a try. You might be breaking heads even more than they do on the streets. So these videos and pictures were sent to me strictly from Supercraft Cars. Now, I want to give them a huge shout out for giving me that update about the Slingshot. Some breaking news really quick, guys. Some of you guys have been asking me about my products that I use on my videos on private DMs. Now, I have answered you guys, but I decided, instead of me like repeating myself, I decided to create an Amazon storefront. Now, anything that I use on my channel will be linked in the Amazon store from here on out. Everything that I get from that store will be to maintain this channel, to help me buy more mods and stuff like that. So if you like the Slingshot, give me a big like on this video. If you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video as well. Until next one, guys, stay safe out there. Come on, out. Peace in the Middle East.